friends, how are y'all doing today? We are on tree 3 of the 3 trees that are in my house. This one here is one of those pencil ones. I really like this one because it's very full. I put some popcorn garland on here from Hobby Lobby. I got it last year. I do believe I saw it again this year. Hobby Lobby, I have it on the tree, and then I have it on the TV stand here. This tree here is for all of my husband's Funko Pop ornament. If you know anybody that collects like the Funko Pops, they're little plastic. Some of them are bobbleheads, but anyway, they're collectibles, and my husband has a bunch of ornaments. So I have this tree here that I put all the ornaments on. They look like this here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them all on the tree. I will speed up the video so you guys don't have to sit here for, I don't know, about 30 minutes. It'll take me to take them out of the boxes and put them on the tree. But I will give you a close-up view if you like to see his collection. And then I will put them on the tree, and I'll speed it up when I'm putting them on the tree so you don't have to stick around, or so this video is not like 40 minutes long. Anyway, if that is interesting to you and you'd like to see his collection of ornaments, stick around. Please comment, like, and subscribe. That really helps me build this channel. But anyway, I digress. Let's get started on this tree.